are kind of open slime with some little mini characters in it. The reason I said slime, I just can't pronounce this word that well. So, yeah. Let's get started and open it. Where do I start? Right. Okay, there's a little opening tab right here that I'm trying to open with my nails. Done. Get it off. There we go. Here's the first one. Do you think what do you think the color is gonna be? It's blue. I like this color. It looks like teal more than blue. It's jiggy. Come on, slime, come out. It's hard to get out. Come out. You can do it. I'm trying to see the character. We got little marshmallow guy. And get that. Ooh, it has a lot of silver at the bottom. This slime is pretty good because we got this from the Dollar Tree. So, pretty good for Dollar Tree stuff. And this one is next. Okay, put that to the side. Okay, kind of let it drip. Or not. Takes a lot of patience to do this. I mean a lot. If you're not patient, you're probably going to get stressed. Like these. Faster. I feel you, but I just can't see you. They're the same character, sadly. But that's okay. This slime is really pretty. Looks like an ocean. Pretty. Looks like goo. Like ocean theme, like, and take the little, you find the sky in the ocean. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.